Good day everyone. I'm John Kirby Galinato. I currently enrolled in Bachelor of Information Technology, BSIT 1D. So let's start for loop. A programming control flow statement that allows a block of code to be executed repeatedly until a specific condition is met. It loops through a block of code within a specified numbers of times. This is a syntax of for loop. The for loop is initialized with an initial condition, followed by a loop conditions, and an increment or decrement operation. The loop first executes the initialization part typically used to initialize loop control variables. It can evaluate the condition specified in the loop header. If the condition is true, the code block within the curly braces executed. This is the curly braces. After executing the code block, the loop performs the increment of decrement operations. Increment operations, mga ito. The loop then returns to the loop header and there evaluates the condition. If the condition remains, that the process continues, otherwise of the loop terminates. As you can see, ito po yung syntax for a loop. This is input in the for loop. This is the initialization statement. It declares the integer variable I and initialize its value to 1 before the loop begins. This is the condition the loop will continue to execute as long as this condition evaluates to true. In this case, the loop will run as long as I strictly less than 5. The output of this for loop depends on the code placed within its body, the curly braces. If there is no code inside the loop body to print or modify anything, the loop will execute, but there will be no visible output. However, if we assume a common scenario, the value of is I printed within the loop body, for example, gaya ng ginawa ko, ito po, yung input tsaka output. So, ito po yung output niya, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi bilong po say 5. While loop, it loops through a block of code until the condition is satisfied. While loop is used, you know when will the condition be met. It will loop through the set of codes until the condition is met. This is a syntax of while loop. So you can see, ito po yung while conditions, tsaka braces. Condition, this is an expression that evaluates to a Boolean value, true or false. The code block inside the loop will continue to execute as long as this condition evaluates to true. When the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. The program continues with the code the following loop. While loop executes a block of code repeatedly as long as a specified condition remains true. For the condition num 20, the loop will continue to run as long as the value of the variable num is less than or equal to 20. num is 1 which is less than 20. Through the code prints 1 and num becomes 2. Nums is 2 which is the less than 20. Through the code prints 2 and the num becomes 3. This continues for all numbers up to 20. Num is 20 which is less than 20. Through the code prints 20 and num becomes 21. Num is 21 which is less than 20. False, the loop is terminates. Terminates po is yung parang extend na po siya. Hindi na po siya belong sa 20, less than 20. When I equals 1, the test expression I equals to 5 is true. Hence, the body of while loop is executed. This print 1 on the screen and the value of I is increased to 2. Now, I equals to the test expression. I equals to 5 is gained through the body of the while loop is executed against this print 2 on the screen and the value of I is increased to 3. This process goes on until I becomes 6, then the test expression I equals to 5 will be false and the loop terminates. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do while loop. Work like the while loop except that the codes will be executed once and is repeated as long as the set condition is true, but will stop once the condition is false. This is syntax of do while loop. Do marks the beginning of do while loop and indicates that the code blocks the following it should be executed first. Curly braces, this enclose the code block or loop body. This is the set of the statement that will be executed at least once and then repeatedly as long as the while condition is true. While. This follows the do block and introduces the loop's conditions. This is an expression that evaluates to a Boolean value true or false. This condition is checked after each execution of the code block. If the condition evaluates to true, the program control returns to the beginning of the do block and the code inside the curly braces is executed. If the condition evaluates to false, the loop terminates and program execution continues with the statement immediately following the do while loop. So, do while loop, the output depends on the code block and the condition. The loop always runs the code first, guaranteeing at least one execution regardless whether in condition initially true or false. It is input naman is provided to the program as part of the code block with the loop continuing the prompt of input until the condition is no longer. Yan po ang mga input. Sabihan public, static void main, close parenthesis, string, args, bracket, braces. Int number 1, do system, number. When I equals 1, the test expression I equals to 5 is true. Hence, the body of while loop is executed. This print 1 on the screen and the value of I is increased to 2. Now, I equals to the test expression. I equals to 5 is gained through the body of the while loop is executed against this print to on the screen and the value of I is increased to 3. This process goes on until I becomes 6, then the test expression I equals to 5 will be false and the loop terminates. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.